Kapotasana with the help of the bricks. First, she'll get into the final posture. Please observe carefully. This is how the final posture is done. Now let me show you where to use the bricks and why, okay? So first and most important part is, can you lift up a little? Most of them tend to stop here because of the rigidity in their calf muscles and groin area, and hence this brick will be helpful to use under the hip, this way. So when you're trying to use this, most of them tend to fall onto one side. So that can be avoided if you use a brick. Second part, if you can see, she's leaning forward. In order to avoid leaning forward, you can place the brick under each palm. So this will help you keep your spine erect. And once you feel this is right, daily start practicing this way. Slowly start removing the brick under your hips. You'll reach up to a final posture, and once you feel this is comfortable, slowly start moving the bricks from your palms. And you will reach up to the final posture this way. Isn't that easy? So start using the bricks from today.